Post-mortem examination on Dr. Victoria Mutiso has revealed that she was shot 3 times, twice in the head and once in the upper back. Meanwhile, lawyers representing murder suspects Rose Mbithe Mulwa and her son Chris Mulwa are seeking their release on bail, arguing that the prosecution has failed to provide compelling reasons to justify their continued detention.
A post-mortem examination on Dr. Victoria Mutiso's body has revealed the extent of the injuries that caused her death, as the court hears arguments on the continued detention of 2 suspects linked to the case. Government Chief Pathologist Johansen Odwor says that Mutiso was shot 3 times. He says that 2 bullets struck her head and exited through the right side, while another bullet entered through her back and exited through her upper right arm.
She was shot 3 times, twice on the head, where the 2 gunshots which exited on the left side. So the entry on the left side, the exit was on the right side. There's also another entry on the back right side, which exited also on the right side. The one which exited on the the one which came into the body on the left side of the back and came out on the right side also re-entered the right upper arm.
Odwor also confirmed that she suffered severe blood loss alongside serious head and chest injuries. A bullet fragment was recovered during the post-mortem examination. Meanwhile, Rose Mbithe Mulwa and her son Chris Mulwa are seeking release on bail, with their lawyers arguing that the prosecution has failed to provide sufficient reasons to justify their continued detention.
A court officer of such experience has raised very fundamental issues that justify the 2 to be released on cash bail.
Lawyers Cliff Ombeta and Dunstan Omari told the court that the application to hold the 2 for 30 days lacks evidence and does not meet the required legal threshold.
Also falls under the constitutional provision of the marginalized. Had you dealt with her and convicted her, the judicial sentencing policy guidelines recognizes age as a critical condition. She will not go for life imprisonment, or she will not go for more than 2 to 3 years. That is enough ground to release her.
They argue that there is no proof that the accused would interfere with witness, flee the country, or obstruct investigations. The defense further maintained that a mental assessment cannot be used as basic for holding the 2 in custody for an entire month. The lawyers also claim that Rose and her son are not safe while in police custody, alleging that they were assaulted and denied medical attention.
An attempt to incarcerate him, his clans will not have access to justice. They might think he's on strike when he is incarcerated. Allow him to practice his law.
The court heard further allegations that civilian clothed officers raided the family home, intimidated relatives, and searched for the alleged murder weapons without a court order. The defense has urged the court to uphold the presumption of innocence and grant the 2 reasonable bail term as the case continues. Susan Locho for TV 47, Nairobi.